let's grill some sunflower heads. All right, grab the bucket so I could reach, and then I'm just checking the seeds to see where they're at. You want them to still be soft. These are actually a little harder than I wanted them to be, but they'll still be good. So I'm gonna harvest this one, and then I'm gonna grab that one too. So the next thing is I'm just going to get all of this off of both of the heads. Now that all the flowers are cleaned off, you can see that the middle of the sunflower head is a little bit whiter than the outside, and that's really what you're looking for. You want the seeds to still be soft. Some of these darker ones on the outside are gonna be not quite as soft. Whipping up the toppings real quick. Yum. Coated both of the heads in avocado oil and massaged it in well. All right, now we are going to put them on the grill, head down, and leave them on there for about 5 minutes. Now we're just gonna close the lid on them and let them cook for another 5. Beautiful, look at those grill marks. Add in that good. Some fresh cilantro. Can't forget the fresh squeeze of lime. Bomb. You can also just eat it with a fork.